What is Devin AI and how to get access to Devin AI? Let's get started. Welcome to the forefront of artificial intelligence where innovation knows no bounds and possibilities are endless. Today we are diving into the revolutionary world of Devin AI. Meet Devin AI, the groundbreaking software engineer designed to redefine the way we approach coding, debugging, and software deployment. Developed by Cognition, a US-based startup pushing the boundaries of AI technology, Devin AI is the world's first AI software engineer capable of coding, creating websites, and managing entire software projects with a single prompt. Devin AI has completely transformed the way I work. It's like having a knowledgeable colleague guiding me through every step of the development process. With Devin AI, the possibilities are limitless. It's not just about suggesting code snippets, it's about empowering developers to innovate and create new constraints. Unlike traditional AI models, Devin AI operates much like a seasoned software engineer with its own code editor, command line interface, and browser capabilities. Ready to experience the future of software development? Simply visit the official website of Cognition Labs and submit a form to gain early access to Devin AI. You have to come to this website and then you will see this option of request access over here. Go ahead and click on it. Now you have to fill this request access to Devin. Type in your email address and type in what would you like to use Devin for. And lastly, share a bit more about yourself and then click on request access. In conclusion, Devin AI represents a significant leap forward in AI technology. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear about Devin AI and how to enroll for Devin AI. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.